Mobile application testing. Chapter 5. Automation methods, key tester skills. Mastering automation methods is essential for modern testers. This presentation outlines the core skills needed to excel. We'll cover scripting, object interaction, and data handling. Identifying graphical objects. Image recognition. Visual matching for unique elements. OCR/text recognition. Identifies text within images. Object recognition. Web or native object identification. Several methods exist for identifying a graphical object used for mobile test automation. Each method has specific applications. Testers select the best approach. Optimizing mobile object identification. Practice detection. Testers must practice graphical object detection and identification. Understand methods. Comprehend which method is most capable for various devices. Enable success. Choose methods that enable successful, continuous parallel tests. A mobile application tester needs to not only practice object detection, they must understand which method enables successful tests across many devices. This ensures parallel and continuous testing. Script creation method differences. Reliability. Identifier constant, layout flexible. Risk of hidden object interaction. Images scale. Layout changes cause test failures. User experience. Manual scripting or improving recorded scripts. Full GUI-based testing, no scripting needed. Execution speed. Faster, especially with native tools. Slower, due to pixel-by-pixel screen comparison. Maintenance. Depends on test script quality, mainly updating baseline images. Authoring challenge. Scripting language and software design knowledge needed. Generation of baseline images, when app changes often. Script creation methods vary significantly. Object identification offers flexibility, but requires scripting. Image/OCR is simpler, but sensitive to layout changes. Understanding these differences is key.